Growing up, I read books about enchanting bliss, falling head over heels, sealed by a true love's kiss. Embers in the air, flickers everywhere.
Guys, so welcome sa aming cabin. Ito tsura niya. Oh. Okay. So guys, ito ang aming dining table. Yes, yes, yes. Ito ang aming kitchen. Kompleto siya with microwave, stove, sink, tas fridge. Yes, yes, yes. Tas may kasama na rin siyang mga ganyan. Yung rice cooker, tayo nagdala nun. Tapos guys, may kasama na rin siyang coffee maker, tapos may toaster sa taas. Yes. Tapos, open. Ito guys, ang mahiwagang kwarto ni Mami at Daddy. Wow. Yan. Ito kasama si Casey dito. Tapos, ayan. Tapos may kasamang mirror. Tapos guys, ito, pull out bed ni Mama and Casey. Dada.
Oh, sinilagay ko na lahat ng toiletries dito ah.
Tapos, ito ang aking kwarto. Dito ako matutulog. Yes, yes, yes. Ito, meron din akong salamin. Tapos, meron ditong closet. Tapos, may mga basura-basurahan. Tapos, guys, may CR. Yes. Okay. Yun lang, yun ang sa room tour. Ngayon, pupunta na kami sa Hot Springs. Ngayon na ba? Di. Mamaya pa daw. Ay, mamaya ba?
Mamaya to, para lang.
Kailan tayo mag-Hot Springs?
Nagsasain na.
Okay. Okay guys, so update ko na kayo. Bye-bye.
Love's kiss. Embers in the air, flickers everywhere. A fire you just can't miss. Now the older I get, the more I reminisce.
Okay guys, so kinabukasan na. Huwag niyo pansinin boses ko kasi I'm feeling really sick right now. Hindi naman ganun kasi, pero may sipon ako. So, I'm having breakfast right now. Yan, breakfast ko yung leftover burger ko from kahapon and then chocolate milk. Ang daming lamok guys, ang daming lamok. Okay, so mamaya aalis na kami. And then update ko na lang kayo pag may sa akin. Bye-bye!
So I'm still daydreaming. I see it so clearly. If you're out there, come find me. When I fall in love, all the sparks will fly, lighting up the sky like the fireworks on the 4th of July.
Rate the ice cream.
Rate the ice cream? 8.
8. Mommy, rate the Slurpee. 8. Casey, rate the Slurpee.
9.
Mama, rate the ice cream.
Rate?
Rate nyo, 1 to 10.
1 to 10?
Oo.
9. Hindi pa natitikman.
Hindi pa ni Mama natitikman pero nire-rate niya na. Okay guys, so, saan tayo papunta, Di? Di? Saan tayo papunta?
Ano no?
Gawin ba? Souvenirs nila.
Siyempre, may.
Sobrang uhaw. Okay guys, so nakauwi na kami. Nakabalik na kami sa cabin. As you can see. So, nag-swimming kami. We went to the hot springs. Since walking distance lang naman siya dito. Sinaga na namin. And guys, like, highly recommend. na cherries. Basta masarap din mag-swimming. Hindi naman swimming, kasi bawal mag-swimming daw dun eh. Okay guys, so mag-skincare na ako. Ito lang naman skincare ko. Magtutoner lang ako. Yun lang naman yun. So, yun. Yun lang yun. Yun yung trip namin. Tapos, bukas, we're gonna go home. Okay, guys. We're gonna eat, and then I'll sleep, and then I'll update you guys later. Okay. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. So, pauwi na kami. Yeah. Pauwi na kami since it's our last day here. Yan. Uy, ba't mas maganda ngayon? Kahapon kasi nag-uulan. Charis. Pero ayan. So, mag-aayos na kami since we're gonna go home. Ayan. Lalayo mo ako. Yan. We're going home today. I think we're gonna stop by Edmonton. Hindi ko alam kung isasama ko pa yun sa vlog kasi Jasper lang naman to. Okay na yan. Sasama ko natin. Ayun lang. Nagpapak na kami. Nag-aayos na kami ng mga gamit. And, ayun. Okay naman guys. Sulit naman yung stay namin. Ayun lang. Okay, after this, I'll give you guys a fit check. Okay. Okay, fit check time. So, I'm wearing this blue tank top. Tapos, ito, pinantakip ko lang to. This, actually, my pajamas. Tapos, shorts. Okay, yun lang. Parinig nyo naman na nag-aayos na kami para umalis. Yun lang. Okay guys, I'll see you guys later sa car. Okay, bye-bye.
Like the fireworks on the 4th of July. The city will ignite magic, wonder, thunder, striking through my heart. When they fall in love, all the sparks will fly.
Hi
Looking
guys,
in
so
his
nakauwi na kami. Well, kanina pa kami nakauwi. And dito ko natatapusin yung vlog. So, ayun lang. Hindi ko na sinama yung part na nag-Edmonton kami kasi nag-ukay-ukay lang kami dun. We just went shopping. Tapos, ayun lang. Sumuwi na rin kami. So, yun lang guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So, that's all guys. Bye!